So hello students, from this video I'm going to start the concept of a string. Okay, and especially in this video I will discuss the functions of a string class. Okay, functions of a string class, and functions of a string class are very important tool for the string programming. While you are doing the string programming, you will require this string function. So please learn it thoroughly. If you know each and every string functions thoroughly, then it will be easy for you to write the string programs. Okay, so very important tool for the string programming. What are that? That are string functions. So that I will discuss in this video. Okay, and for string programming, wrapper class function, the functions of character wrapper class are also important. So for that, I have already uploaded a video in my on this channel. So I will try to post that link of that videos in description. Okay, so please you can watch that video also that I have already uploaded. Most of you have seen already, but still, if you have not seen, go through that also. Okay, especially uh, functions of character wrapper class are very important. Okay, so let's start. Please watch that video also. Let's just start with the string. Now in this video, I'm going to start. See, definition, simple definitions, a little bit introduction I will give you. See, here I've written that you already know what is a string. A string is a string is group of characters. Very basic definition you already know. I've already explained about this. To perform different operations on a string, Java provides string functions, okay, which are defined in string class, which are defined in string class. String class का नाम है, this is the name of the class, and this class has many string functions. Okay, and this string class belongs to java.lang package. Okay, java.lang is a package. A package is a group of classes. Okay, so each and every package has many classes. So here we are talking about java.lang package. This java.lang package, we have already used some functions of this java.lang package. Math class belongs to this package, and wrapper classes are also belong to this package. And third class we're going to discuss, that is string class functions. So string class also belong to java.lang package. And there is no need to import java.lang package in any program. It is already imported. It is imported with each and every program automatically. Java.lang package is also called default package because it is uploaded. So it is imported with each and every program automatically. Okay, without our involvement, इस हर program के साथ import हो जाता है. So it is called default package. Please keep in mind. So this is the introduction about string and string class. String class belongs to which package? Java.lang package. And what string class has? It has functions related to string operations. So some functions I'm going to discuss. I have already made the notes so that I'm going to show you one by one. I will explain everything. So listen, this int length function. It returns the number of characters in the string. Okay, see, the name of the function is what? The name of the function is length, and it is requiring no parameter, and it has a return type of int type. It will return an integer value. Okay, so let's see what it does. It returns the number of characters in the string. See here, the string is what? Str. It has the value computer, and count the number of characters in this string. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this string has 8 characters. Str has 8 characters. So this length function will return number of characters that will be stored into L. So the value of L will be what? 8. I hope it's clear. It's very simple. It returns the number of characters in the string. Okay, clear? Now second, if any doubt you can ask. I'm going through each and every function with definition. Example is there. I will explain thoroughly. If you have any confusion, you can ask through comment section, please. Now, second, char at. Just take care the A capital, the letter A is in uppercase, and char at. The name of the function is char at. It will require one integer parameter, integer argument, and it will return a character value. Sab kuch, everything, name, how many argument, which type of argument, and which type of value this function will return. Everything you must know. Return type भी पूछता है question में. Return type will also be asked in the examination. So please keep in mind everything you have to remember. Okay. Char at function. It returns the character at given index. Character at given index. For example, see, consider the value of str. The string is what? Computer. Okay. So here we are writing str dot char at. मान लो हमने यहाँ पे लिखा char at 5. We are writing what? Char at 5. Let me type it. Char at 5. Okay. So in string, each and every character has an index. And index starts from 0. Means 0. The index of first character will be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So char at 5. You can see what is char at 5? T. You can see this part. The char at 5 is what? T. So this function will return T. So the value of C will be what? T. I hope it's clear to all. So here again I'm repeating, the index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will return the character at index number 5 in this string str. Okay. So next function. It's clear. Now next function. Index of function. Index of the function name is index of O capital. The letter O is in uppercase and its return type is int and it will require one character value. So it returns the first index of the character in the string. It returns the first index of the character in the string. String में जो first character होगा उस first character index sorry for mistake. I'm repeating again. It returns the first index of the given character in the string. First index of the given character. Let me show you with example. Consider the str is what? Computer science. The value of str is what? Computer science. Okay. So str dot index of e. So it will return, this index of function will return the first index of this character e. So just find out the first index of character e will be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the value of I will be 6 because the first index of character I is what? 6 in this string. So it returns the first index of the given character in the string. So the value of I will be what? 6 because 6 is coming first time on at index number 6. Okay. Like that, we have another function, last index of. You can see the name of the function. It's very proper. They have given very proper name. By function name only you can understand most of the things. What this function going to perform. Okay, so you should also keep your function name proper name. That function name should explain everything. Most of the things should be explained by the function name itself. Same thing with the variables also. If you are taking any variable, you should take a proper name. That name should explain that variable we are going to use for what. What is the purpose of declaring that variable? Okay, like this. So here the next function is what? Last index of function. Last index of function, as the name is saying, it will return the last index of the given character. Okay, for example, let's explain with the example. str compare computer science. Okay, so last index of e. Here the last index में l, this is l actually, is in uppercase. Sorry, not l. I, this is I actually. Huh? I will be in uppercase and O will be in uppercase. This is also I, last index of. So I and O are in uppercase. Okay. So last index of E. So this function will return last index of character E in the string str. So the value of str is what? Computer science. So it will return, find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, space 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. You can see index number, last index of E is what? 15. So this function will return 15. So the value of I will be what? 15. Last index of E. Got it? Okay, I hope it's clear to all. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you about index of function and last index of function. both function returns -1 if the character is not in the string. For example, consider this example I'm taking. I'm talking about both index of and last index of both functions. Both functions return -1 if the character given as argument is not in the string. Means, for example, um, I'm taking B. The character B is not in this string. You can see the character B is not in this string. So in this case, this function will return -1. If the given character is not in the string, the function returns what? -1. It is for both index of and last index of, for both the functions. Got it? So please keep in mind, if by this way, by this property of this function, you can check the presence of a character in the string, whether that particular character is existing in that string or not. By this property, you can get that. Okay, so please remember, index of and last index of both functions return -1 if the character given as argument is not in the string. I hope it's clear. So you can make the okay. Now next function, see this next function, substring. This function is substring here. Now listen, substring function. It returns the part of the string from the index given as argument to the end of the string. You know, substring function is used to extract some part from the string. किसी string से part निकालना, sub part, substring. Okay. So for example, it returns a part of the string from the index given as argument to the end of the string. Means, see, with example I will explain. See, this is the example, computer science. Consider the value of string is what? Computer science. So str dot substring 9. So it will return, this function will return the part of the string from index number 9 to last. Index number 9 to last end of the string. So let's try to find out the index number 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So means from 9 to last, means this function will return the part of the string from index number 9 to last. That is what here? Signs. So the value of str1 will be what? Signs. Okay. Moving to the next function. Same function, substring, and see, this function is requiring only one integer argument, and this substring function requiring two integer argument. Okay, I have taught in function chapter, function overloading, defining more than one function of same name with different parameters list is called function overloading. So these functions are overloaded functions. They both belong to string class. They have same name, but their parameters list is different. Okay, so I'm going to explain this one. See, substring int. It returns the part of the string from the index given as first argument to the index given as second argument -1. It returns the part of the string from the index given as first argument to the string given as second argument -1. Right, -1. Just take care of this point. From the index given as first argument to the index given as second argument -1. Okay, so this -1 is very important by mistake all the time. Please take care of this. You may miss this. So please take care. I will explain it just with example. Consider the value of str is computer science. Okay, computer science, and here we are writing str dot substring 3, 6. Okay, so it will return, this function will return the part of the string from index number 3 to 6 minus 1 means 5. From index number from the index number given as first argument to the index given as second argument to the index given as second argument -1 means this function will return the part of the string from index number 3 to 5. From second argument -1 means it will return the part of the string from the index given as first argument to the index given as second argument minus 1. Means finally it will return the part of the string from index number 3 to 5. So please remember that from second argument minus 1, don't forget to do this minus 1. Okay, so it will return from 3 to 5. Just find out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 to 5, you can see this, it will return put. So the value of str1 will be what? Put. This minus 1, please take care of this minus 1. It's very, generally you will forget it. So please keep in mind. So for your little mistake, you can produce wrong output. So please. Next function. Okay, so it's a very simple function. Two lowercase, two uppercase. These functions are used to convert the string to uppercase, convert the string to lowercase. Simple. If the string is in lowercase, see it converts to lowercase function, L capital, C capital. It converts the string to lowercase. For example, str equal to Java. Okay. So this function, lowercase function, will return, will convert this string to lowercase. So it will become what now? Java. It was in uppercase. First, everything will be in lowercase now. It will convert whole string into lowercase. Okay. Like that, we have another function, to uppercase, U capital, C capital. It converts a string to uppercase. Str equal to Java, str equal to str dot to uppercase. So this string will be converted into uppercase. Okay. Please remember these functions, very important. Okay. Functions of string class are very important for string programming. You must have to keep in mind while you're writing the string program. Okay. Now next function. Boolean equals string. Okay. See, the name of the function is equals and its return type is what? Boolean. Means it will return either true or false. So it compares two strings and returns true if both are equal. Otherwise, it returns false. It compares two strings and returns true if both are equal. Otherwise, it returns false. Let's explain with example. Java, str1, this is str, this is str Java, and str1 is what? Java. So here we are comparing, and str dot equals to str1. So here equality means what? Two strings are equal means what? If both strings are same, then it is called there. Then they will be called equal string. So here you can see this string, both strings are not equal. Even the first character is not matching. Here it is capital J, here it is small j. So equals function is case sensitive, so it will return false because str and str1 are not equal. Even the first character is not matching. So they are not equal. They are not same, so they are not equal. So this function will return false. Okay. Another function is here, equals ignore case. Equals ignore case. Equals ignore case. Here, little bit confusion you can see. Let me show you. Equals ignore case. See here. Equals ignore. This is I. This is I. Equals ignore case. Okay. Equals ignore case I capital, C capital, and rest are in lowercase. So it also do the same thing. It also does the same thing, but it ignores the cases. While it compares, it compares two strings and returns true if both are equal. Otherwise, returns false. And it ignores the cases. Means it will not consider the uppercase and lowercase. It will ignore the uppercase and lowercase. Cases will be ignored by this function. Let me explain with example. See, str equal to Java. Okay, str1 equal to Java. Same example I have taken. So if you'll ignore the cases, please think, if you are ignoring the cases while you're comparing these two strings, then you will find that both strings are equal. If you'll not take the cases in under consideration, these two strings you can see that both are equal. So same function, this equals ignore function does. It is I equals ignore case. It is L and it is I. The equals ignore case function will compare two strings by ignoring the cases. And if by ignoring the cases, if they are equal, it will return true. here you can see if you are not considering the uppercase and lowercase, both strings are equal, so it will return true. Any doubt, students, you can ask. Okay, for this video this much only. In next video I will come with more functions of string class, so please uh, wait for that video. It will be uploaded soon. For this video this much only. Please go through this. If any doubt, ask me through comment section. So I will wait for your comments and suggestions. Thank you. Bye.